Hi friends. I'm Olivia Smith. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel where I share the latest global news every day. You can also read more news on TimeGlitter.com. You can find all the links in the video description below. Friends, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now let's jump into today's news. News headline: Star witness for Trump defendants in Georgia fails to give damning testimony. News details: lawyers representing individuals charged alongside Donald Trump in Georgia for their involvement in efforts to change the 2020 election faced a setback on Tuesday. Their key witness, Terrence Bradley, failed to repeat his previous claims about an affair involving Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. The defense hoped Bradley's testimony would support their motion to remove Willis from the case. Bradley admitted in court that his previous allegations were mere speculation. He clarified that he had not personally witnessed any wrongdoing. His inability to provide concrete evidence regarding the alleged affair meant that no new information emerged during the hearing in Fulton County Superior Court. Judge Scott McAfee is now considering whether there is sufficient cause to disqualify Willis due to a potential conflict of interest. Last year, Donald Trump and several of his supporters were accused of breaking Georgia's state racketeering law by trying to change the 2020 election results. They allegedly used fake elector slates and pressured officials to overturn Trump's loss. In January, a new development arose when Ashley Merchant, representing Trump's associate Mike Roman, filed a motion to remove District Attorney Fani Willis from the case. Merchant claimed Willis financially benefited from hiring Nathan Wade, who worked on Trump's case in 2021, and allegedly funded their vacation. The decision on disqualifying Willis is significant, as it could affect the entire district attorney's office. If Willis is removed, it might disrupt one of the most legally challenging cases against Trump. However, despite over 2 hours of testimony from Bradley, the defense has not made significant progress in convincing the judge to disqualify Willis. The defense attorneys had been hoping that Terrence Bradley would challenge the testimony provided by Fani Willis and Nathan Wade. Willis and Wade claimed their relationship began after Wade started working on the Trump case in November 2021. If Bradley contradicted this, it could weaken their credibility in court. However, during Bradley's initial appearance, he provided little new information. He frequently cited attorney-client privilege, as he had represented Wade during divorce proceedings related to the alleged affair. This prevented him from answering many questions from the defense. In a closed-door hearing, the judge ruled that Bradley was misusing attorney-client privilege and had to answer questions regarding Wade's communications about the affair. When Bradley returned to court on Tuesday, he testified that he had no first-hand knowledge of the affair. He admitted that his previous claims were purely speculative, including his text to Mike Roman's lawyer suggesting that the affair started in 2019 after a municipal judges' conference. Bradley clarified that he only corrected one aspect of the draft disqualification motion provided by Mike Roman's lawyer. He specified his contract with the district attorney's office for unrelated work was worth $74,000. However, he emphasized that this correction didn't imply he agreed with the accuracy of the rest of the document. During questioning by Trump's defense lawyer, Steve Sato, Bradley was asked why he speculated about the affair, despite knowing it was for the disqualification motion. Bradley responded softly, saying, "I don't recall." Additionally, Bradley testified that he couldn't remember if Nathan Wade had told him about having a sexual encounter with Fani Willis in her office before she became district attorney. He also stated he had no personal knowledge of whether Wade had access to Willis's garage door around the same time. So far, there's no evidence showing that Fani Willis hired Nathan Wade or extended his contract to benefit financially through any illicit scheme. Both Willis and Wade testified earlier that they split expenses equally or reimbursed each other in cash. Now, the judge must decide how much trust to place in Terrence Bradley's testimony. On one side, the judge might think Bradley is telling the truth now, despite lying before. On the other hand, the judge could believe Bradley was honest when he messaged Mike Roman's lawyer but lied during his testimony. The district attorney's office has also attempted to challenge Bradley's credibility. They pointed out that Bradley was essentially forced out of his previous law firm, which he shared with Wade due to a sexual harassment allegation. The implication is that Bradley might have a motive to harm Wade's reputation. Friends, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the